This 5-minute solution will show you how to check your iPhone display original or fake. So follow these symbols to step to check your iPhone display. So the first solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on About. Under Parts and Service History section, you will get the display option. So if your display is original, you will see here genuine Apple part, and an unknown part message will appear if the display installation is incomplete, or if the display was replaced with a non-genuine display, or was already used or installed in another iPhone, or isn't functioning as expected. And the second method is open your control center, tap and hold on brightness. If your iPhone display is original, you will get the true tone option here. And if you can't see this true tone option here, it's mean your iPhone display isn't original. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.